Data center cleanup, the H drive was purged of all abandoned and stagnant data. Our criteria for removing data was if the data is older than 90 days or if it belongs to a user that is not found in our global address list, which means the user probably changed stations, retired. Either way, they're not here anymore, so allowing their data to stagnate is only clogging our performance. So we accomplished that, and we moved approximately freed up 6 terabytes of space out of 20 terabytes, which is a staggering 30% of the data center, the H drive. So users have noticed a remarkable improvement. The data that is old but is not belonging to users that no longer are here, so in other words, it's old but it belongs to users that still reside here, that has been moved to a backup location. In the event that they need that data, it's accessible but is being stored offline in a secure manner to avoid clogging the bandwidth. We also implemented a new vulnerability management tool. It hasn't been given a name yet. We're still in the creative process of naming it, but it's essentially the spreadsheet that monitors the top 10 servers in the data center as far as most vulnerable, according to points. So it's not according to vulnerabilities. A server that has three category 1 vulnerabilities, which is equal to 30 points, is much more vulnerable than a server that has 15 category 3, which is 15 points. So we listed it according to points. It monitors and tracks trends over time, over a 3 or 4 week period. It's also customizable. You can determine how many weeks you want to trend it. It has certain indicators at the end for what has happened with that particular server over the past week. Green means it's improved. Red means there are more vulnerabilities than there used to be. This could be due to a release of new TCNOs. Black is the worst server, the least improved server over the past week. And then a nice little gold star is the most improved server. Those have been included in the final report, but this has really helped technicians gain a more feeling of control and a bigger picture of what's going on so that they can determine what actions need to be done according to vulnerabilities they have seen before. So that was our vulnerability management tool that we implemented. And the next video will describe the recommendations that have taken place as a result of this project.